back to another video. So today we're gonna be just kind of talking, you know, we're just gonna be figuring stuff out together. I realized that I have a turbo laying around, I have some engines laying around, and I have a shell sitting on the side of my house. So I kind of wanted to just touch bases with you guys and figure out what you think that I should do in the future, because like I said, I have a car sitting on the side of my house with no engine in it. I have engines, and I also got turbos and suspension. This is the Ka motor that we took out of Christine's car that I was just talking about. This is the one that has the fresh rebuild on it. It's just sitting here in the front of my house. So like I said, I kind of want to do something with it, whether it be throw it into the shell or save up and build this into a pretty decent Ka setup like how Bradley's one is going to be. Only because it's freshly rebuilt, and I kind of want to save it because these motors are getting more expensive nowadays, especially because 240s are getting more and more hard to come by, especially in decent condition. So I could sell this motor, but I think I'm going to hold on to it, especially because this is one of the first motors that I've ever rebuilt and it runs cherry. So I'm going to hold on to this for now, but I want to know, should I turbo this or should I turbo the 2jz? Anyway, this is the 2J motor that we have sitting up front. If you guys remember, we picked it up a while ago from my friend Jeremy. His brother was letting it go for super cheap, so I decided to pick it up not knowing what I was going to do with it. So this is the motor that I would be using right here. Like I said, it's a 2jzge-t non-VVT-I, which is supposed to have the stronger rods in it. So it should be okay for about 350 horsepower. So just on this small turbo setup right here. So should I run the turbo on here or should I just keep this as an NA? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna go in. And then we have this car sitting back here. This is the 1UZ shell. The 1UZ that was in here is now in Christine's car. My original plan for this car was to turn it into a seat temp car for us. One that we could just bash on and not really worry about it. It doesn't have a front end, as you guys can see. My plan is to put a tube front end on it. But I want to know what motor we should put in here. Should I just run a Ka-t setup, or the 2J NA, or 2J with a turbo kit on it? I don't know exactly what I want to do yet, but I do know that this car will probably be a seat time car. It feels kind of bad though because it is a really straight car. Hard top, no sunroof. Like I said, the quarter panels are still here. I would just need to put fenders and a front end on it, and this car would be a nice ripper. I could slap this turbo on my SR, but I already have the T28, the Garrett T28. So this is an extra turbo that I have just laying around, and I'm probably gonna slap it together with a turbo kit, either on the Ka or the 2J. This will be a while from now, but I kind of just want to prepare ahead of time and ask you guys what you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments below, should I put this turbo on the Ka or the 2J? If you guys are wondering, this is the GT2871 from MaXpeedingRods. If you guys remember, they sent this out to me a few months ago, and it's kind of been sitting because I've been working on, you know, Christine's car, as well as trying to get this car ready for the drift event and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the turbo right here. It's actually pretty nice. The quality feels amazing. Everything, there's no shaft play, anything. I believe this thing is balanced. As you can see, there's torque marks and stuff on everything. So yeah, this is looks like a good solid turbo. I can't wait to try it out. I just don't know what I want to put it on yet. I have coilovers. These are the adjustable dampening ones. I believe they're 32-way dampening adjustment. I'm probably gonna throw these on the shell that I have sitting on the side of the house. As you guys can see, it has the dampening adjustment knob at the top for maximum adjustability. Now, a lot of you guys don't know, but the 350Z that I sold to Bailey actually was running on some MaXpeeding budget coilovers for about 2 years, and I drifted it on bags and it still lasted me that long. So I definitely would recommend them, especially if you guys are on a tight budget. They do the trick. Now, they're not top of the line, but they get the job done, and that's kind of like what you need, especially when you're first starting out. I'm trying to make that build, you know, not be like a main build. It's gonna be a budget build, something that we're gonna use to go to the track and practice tandeming and, you know, some crazy driving techniques on as well. Something that I don't have to worry about, you know, kind of beating up. So I kind of want to build it as cheap as possible, or as on a budget as possible. So make sure you guys go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on that as well. Make sure you guys go hit the description. I'll have links to MaXpeedingRods and a discount code down there as well to go ahead and save you guys some money on your guys' order. It works for anything on top of the website. So if you guys want anything from MaXpeedingRods, make sure you use my discount code. It saves you guys a bit of money. Make sure you guys go check out carshopbloom.com. We have some new merch coming, but in the meantime, there's some accessories for your car that you can purchase on there to support us in this journey here on YouTube. We don't make a lot of money from the videos. We rely a lot on the merchandise, so make sure you guys go ahead and support us if you can. You know, just buy a sticker, a Siri car, a shift knob, you know, something small, whatever you can afford. But if you can't purchase anything right now, make sure you guys go ahead and at least subscribe to the channel. There's about 60% of you guys, according to our analytics, that watch the videos but aren't subscribed, and just one click of the button will help us out tremendously. Alright guys, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that post notification button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, thank you guys so much for your support. We really appreciate you guys. You guys are what keep us motivated. It was good talking to you guys. I feel like we haven't done this in a moment. In a while. Thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting us, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace out and stay good.